Right now I'm holding up a VERKADA
Big black camera.
Don't put the shit in the next video, man.
I'm staying in.
Brisk. Another day in paradise. Seaside mother. Putting up these new VERKADA CR63-E. Facial recognition, license plate reader. Powered by this bad boy right here. Solar panel. See that? Bam! For all the magic happens. Solar power, baby. Check it out. Okay, here we are live and direct in the back of the PetSmart building, you know what I'm saying, right here on California Player Street. This is the last one. We got the solar panel up, we just got to mount the camera, and then we're out of here. Digital Drinks. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Out.